Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gaurav. Welcome back to my channel. And Jio is launching a new scheme in its telecom services, that is the Jio Postpaid Plus. There's already a Jio Postpaid that is available in the Jio app, but now there is a new feature that is going to be coming in the near future, that is the Jio Postpaid Plus. But what is Jio Postpaid Plus? It's going to be the normal postpaid, but you're going to get some more benefits in it. For example, you will be getting a free OTT subscription at the same cost. It's not going to be costing you not even a little bit more. So it's going to be coming in the same price of the plan, but you're going to be getting OTT subscriptions such as apps such as Netflix. You're going to get Amazon Prime, you're going to get Disney Hotstar Plus, and all the Jio apps included as well. Like this, there are many more benefits in this Postpaid Plus plan. So we know that it's going to be starting from 399 to 1499. So there are 5 plans in between these. But before we get into any more details about this Postpaid Plus plan, if you're new on this channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. I make tech videos every single day, and if you're into tech, I really recommend you to subscribe. And now, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So now that we know there are going to be 5 plans, that is starting from 399 rupees to 1499 rupees. The plans are going to be 399, 599, 799, 999 and 1499. So these plans offer different benefits. All of these plans are going to be having different benefits, and all of these plans are going to be coming with Netflix, Amazon Prime and Disney Plus Hotstar subscription at no extra cost, along with unlimited voice. So firstly, let's start with the basic plan. The 399 plan comes with unlimited voice. The data is 75 GB. The rollover data for this is 200 GB. You're getting OTT for free, so I'm guessing you're going to be getting basic OTT, so your only HD version of the video is going to be playing. But for the 599 pack, the voice is unlimited, the data is 100 GB, the rollover data is similar to 100 GB, and the OTT is free. But over here you're getting one SIM card extra and a family plan. This SIM card is going to be added to your family plan. Now the 799 pack is unlimited voice as well. All of these data packs are coming with unlimited voice. The data is going to be coming with 150 gigabytes of data. The rollover data is 200 GB. The OTT free, I'm guessing full HD OTT is going to be coming for 799. You're going to be getting 2 SIM cards and a family plan. All of these SIM cards are going to be included in a family plan. Coming to the 999 plan, it's going to be coming with unlimited voice and the data is 200 GB. The rollover data for this is 500 GB, which is massive, and the OTT is going to be free. I'm guessing 4K quality OTT over here. And the SIM card, you're getting 3 SIM cards and it is included in the family plan. All the SIM cards are included in the family plan. Now coming to the 1499 plan, which is the most expensive and the last plan in the Jio Postpaid Plus plans. This is coming with unlimited voice and the data is 300 GB. The rollover data is going to be 500 GB. You're going to be getting OTT for free. There's no mention of how many SIM cards are going to be coming with this plan, but yes, it is included in the family plan, which means that there are going to be SIM cards coming. And the extra thing you're getting for 1499 plan is that if you're a person who travels from India to USA or to UAE very regularly, you can use this SIM to make unlimited calls and unlimited data without having any roaming costs. So if you're going to UAE and you're going to be calling some person from UAE to India, so there will be no roaming cost if you're making a call from there. So now that we know the plans that are going to be offered by the Jio Postpaid Plus, which plan should you go for? So if I were you, I would go for the 399 or the 599 pack, because these days a lot of people are living at home and working from home, and a lot of people are going to be having Wi-Fi at their home, and you're not going to be using more than 75 to 100 GB per month with your phone. So you may be using it on Wi-Fi or on computer, but when you're using it on phone, it's not going to be crossing 75 GB or 100 GB, even if you are a heavy user. So I would recommend you to go for the 599 or the 399 pack. And if you are the person who's going to be frequently visiting USA and UAE, you have 1499 option. That is the best for you guys. but the ideal plan is going to be $399 and $599. You're going to be getting all of the subscriptions that even the $999 and $1499 people are getting. And since the Jio Postpaid plan, Jio Postpaid Plus plan is going to be launching on the September 24th of this 2020, $399 plan and $599 plan are going to be perfect and ideal for a lot of people who are staying at home, working from home, don't even need to go out. A lot of people have bought Wi-Fi when they were not having Wi-Fi before, but now all of the people have bought Wi-Fi. So you're going to be getting everything, and there's going to be some difference in the quality of the net OTT subscriptions. Like if you're buying $399 pack, you're just going to be getting HD, but if you're going for $599 HD plus, and if you're going for $999, you're going to get 1024 4K resolution displays as well. So for me, the ideal plan is going to be $399 and $599. Any one of these is going to be the ideal plan. If you are a heavy user, you can go for the $599 pack, which is going to be giving you 100 GB data and 200 GB rollover data. You're going to be getting a family SIM, another SIM card as well. So $599 is going to be a good pack. But if you're not a huge user or heavy user of mobile data, $399 pack is the best pack because you're getting everything for just a small amount. So this was all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.